Good morning, Lost Creek. All right, it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning, and today we got a rescue mission. So we are heading about 2 hours away to go rescue my buddy Ian's 1965, I think, Mustang, which has been sitting on blocks in his father's yard for about 20 years. So the mission for today is to go rescue that from his yard, get it loaded up on a trailer, and get it back home to his house so that he can start working on it. I'm going to stop and pick up my buddy Will on the way, and we're going to go have some fun. So stick around. All right, well, looks like this is going to make it even more fun. It snowed last night. Come on, turn the lights on. There we go. Oh boy, look at this. Got to brush that off. Okay, man. All right, got Will. Say hi, Will. You're in the dark. Nobody can see you anyway. All right, get ready to rock and roll. We're going. Your neighbor was out shoveling the driveway. You're a good neighbor. Like a good neighbor. No, I was going to go this way. Okay. That doesn't matter. I don't know if it is faster. What do you say I see driving for?
Yeah, well.
Shift out of full drive. Nice dry roads. Look at that. Well, they're wet, but not icy.
All right, we're about 13 miles out from the town of Rush. Heading across the plains of Colorado. So long.
Okay, at this point in the video, we have gotten to Brush, Colorado. It was still pretty early in the morning.
Use the winch, drag it out.
You know, we unloaded some of our
Get it
gear,
out. 'Cause
said
which
our
way are we
hellos,
going?
and went directly to work recovering this Mustang from the spot that it sat in for since 1997. So I handed the camera and the video camera over to my daughter, and then it was her job to just create these little snippets of time during the day where we were trying to get this Mustang out of its spot, not destroy anything else, and get it over to where we could load the trailer and then truck home. So stick around and just just watch this unfold.
It's really good. It's actually, I'd say the floor pans were the one I had was solid still, because he had it up on blocks. You saved yourself by that. Yeah.
Do you just want me to make it one consecutive
No,
video?
just do little ones. It's fine.
Okay.
She's moving. So kind of stop there. Oh, hey, Will, stop there. Yeah. You got that on film, I'm sure.
Yeah, you got space. Keep going, keep going.
That's probably good. But we're gonna have to cut it pretty hard. So let's. Do you want to reach it in? Keep cut it, go, go, go.
Muffler down.
Keep coming, more, keep coming, stop. Matter? No. Oh, that's cool. What a cute little trailer hitch you got on this thing. Yeah. 4 legs off, wow. How are you taking that off? To put the strap through. Oh, that's smart. You gotta give me some credit, man. It's all about making contact, Liv.
I know.
How come it's facing the wrong way, the camera?
What do you mean it's facing that way? Get out of here.
I'll let you go. You ready? Okay, we're ready, Connor. Just go nice and easy. It's not gonna take much. Well, I say that now, all right?
Nice and slow.
Fall out. Alright, cool. Ready again? Stop. He's definitely not being timid. Straight. This one's so fucking cool.
I wonder if it would be beneficial if we didn't go straight into the slot.
Come here, sailor boy.
Yeah. We need you to tie a knot, brother.
I don't tie knots.
Oh, you're the only sailor I know that doesn't tie knots.
Because I dealt with chains and airplanes. Oh!
Oh.
All right, so that's froze up in there.
It's all about entry speed. You can
Drop the F-bomb.
Oh, that's okay. I'll tweak that out.
Okay.
You're good. I just can't believe we can't get it out. Okay, here, let's try it again with the chain. Right there, like that. Come on over here. Like that. All right, good. Ian, can you clear, bud? Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna hold this. Let's see if I can hold this. Let me wrap it around once, and then hold it, and then I just need you to Jack that up.
Oh boy. Ready?
Yep. Everybody else did that. Yeah. I know. Hey.
You're in their grass.
Olivia.
You good? All right. Whoa.
Was he actually in the car now?
Yes, that's fine. Okay, now straight. Over this way here. Nice and slow, Connor. Is he good?
He just got great.
Is he good?
Yeah.
Put the ramps down?
Yeah. I'm just gonna let him get out. Yeah, it's okay. I got you. All right, a little more, a little more. Okay, keep going now. Have him go that way. Okay. Straight, straight, straight. Again. Straight, straight, straight. A little more. Stop. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna get turned around.
Actually, well, hold on, Connor. So here's what I'm going to do, okay? I'm going to have you run your winch out. We're going to take the winch. There you go, there you go. Straight, 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 straight. Straight, stop, stop. If your winch has got some fucking... Am I lined up?
Yeah, you're good
Stop,
here.
Stop, stop.
You could go your way just
We can adjust it a little bit.
All right, you want me to run you? You're gonna run out of.
Yeah, did you?
Let's bring it out, unhook it.
Oh, that tire's flat.
I'm only watching my side. So.
Yeah, you're good, man.
Yeah, I'm watching him. Is the Jeep still running?
No.
You're gonna burn your battery. You might burn battery.
All right. Yeah. Well, I just did this so I can put it in gear.
Stop, 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 stop. We gotta straighten it out.
All right, guys, right after this point, we chained the Mustang down to the trailer really good. We all went out for a team lunch. Ian bought us lunch, and then we made our way back down south. So, pretty cool day.
All right.
We run.
All right, so listen, this is a very different kind of video for me. It was definitely a last minute idea to go rescue this Mustang, and nice to get it out of that property. It's been, again, sitting on blocks there since 1997. That's a really long time, but you know, I'm confident that Ian can get this thing back up and going again. He's looking at doing some pretty cool stuff, maybe a V8 power plant, etc. So anyway, thanks so much for sticking with me today at Lost Creek, and I hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next episode.